Hi everyone, I'm going to cook general salt chicken today. Chicken leg meat, 3 pieces, boneless, skinless. You cut into ½ inch, 1 inch and ½ inch the cube, about half size of lady's finger. Then I'm going to marinate it. I will do the marinating work first because it takes time. About 1/3 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 teaspoon of chicken powder to enhance flavor. It's optional. Light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons. Chinese style rice cooking wine, 2 teaspoons. It will evaporate when you cook. And what else? Cornstarch, about 2 teaspoons. Then we need a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons or less. Then mix them well. Let it marinate for about 20 minutes. During the 20 minutes marinating time, I do other preparing work. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, what else I'm going to do? I'm going to cut some green onion. I got 4 pieces of green onion, and I'm going to apart the green part and the white part because I'm going to use this at a different time. To use the white part first for giving more flavor to the dish, and use the green part later to keep the fresh taste and the fresh color. Cut into 1 inch pieces. Same size, I cut the green part, about 1 inch long. Put them separately. Then I'm going to cut some garlic, 4 pieces of garlic. I don't really cut it, I pat it, break it, let it release more flavor. I'm going to use it together with the white part of the green onion, so I put them together. Then what else? I'm going to use some dry chili peppers. About 8 pieces, mix medium cut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply just break it, tear it in half and shake the seeds out. I do not want the seeds part really spicy. I'm going to use this dry chili together with the garlic and the green onion white part, so I put them together. By the way, if you want this dish really spicy, you can use more chili pepper, or you can even keep the seeds if you like. Any kind of a dry chili you can use. I'm using this, it's just Mexican chili, you can buy it everywhere. Now I'm going to make some sweet and sour sauce for cooking general salt chicken. Sweet and sour, of course, some sugar. I put about 2 tablespoons of sugar and some dark vinegar. About 1 teaspoon, not that much, because I'm going to use some sourness from vinegar and some from tomato sauce. Then tomato sauce, about 1/3 cup of tomato sauce. You mix them well, and you can try it and adjust it to your taste. Try it. Good. You can adjust it to your taste, okay? Then I use some corn starch, about 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And then 1 tablespoon of water. Mix them well. This is my sweet and sour sauce. You can tell because it takes time. You do not want add them one by one to your pot. That's really in hurry. Now I'm ready for cooking, but wait the marinating meat time for 20 minutes. During this time, you can prepare your rice because this dish is perfect with rice. Hi, I'm cooking the general pot chicken. So warm the oil first, any kind of vegetable oil. I put 1 cup. Actually, not for really, you don't eat that much oil in this dish. Now I just warm the oil until the oil bubbling around the bamboo spatula, which means warm enough for cooking this dish. So I put the chicken meat in, marinated chicken meat in, and to do some stir fry. You stir it, let them loose apart. And the purpose for this fry is to seal the real outside layer of the meat, not for the really deep fry, for the crispy. It's just for seal the outside layer and maintain the moisture inside to keep the dish tender for chew. About halfway cooked, turn off my stove, and I use this ladle with holes to get the meat out. It's not totally cooked yet, but I will cook it later with some spice, some flavor. Now I get the oil out. Do not use this. Leave about 1 tablespoon and turn on my stove again. Put the garlic and the pepper, dry pepper, garlic and the green onion, the white part in. Stir it. Let the oil become flavorful. Stir fry it for about 1 minute. Then you put the halfway cooked chicken back to the wok. Stir them together. Continue to cook for about 2 minutes. So this time the chicken will get the flavor from green onion, from chili, and from garlic. Then remember, I saved some green onion, the green part, for fresher taste and fresher color. Now I put it in. I put in my sweet and sour sauce in. Stir them. Mix together. Okay, it's done. It's different from the compa chicken. What's different? In compa chicken, we said there is the spice not only from the dry pepper, it's also from the little stuff, little that we call it a Sichuan peppercorn, right? Not this general chicken. General chicken, the general is the Hunan people. Traditional Hunan dish, they do not use the Sichuan peppercorn. But besides the spicy here, sweet and sour taste in general chicken, and also the sweet and sour, not only from sugar and vinegar, also from the tomato. Probably general like the sweet and sour. Hope you like it too. It's perfect with rice. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.